Hey, welcome back. This is James Weatherford here with San Diego Future Foundation, your support personnel. Now that we've got to go ahead and connect the computer, and I showed you a little bit about the different types of connectors. Now what we're all ready and the computer's all set up, now what we're going to go do today is go ahead and turn it on. We're going to show you how to access the internet. We're going to show you some of the keyboard functions. And so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and power the computer on. On this particular computer that you've received today, the power button is right in front. No need to reach behind it for any reason. You can just power it right on. Now the monitor itself has its own separate power. Right now, if you can see that, it's yellow, amber in color. When it's completely off, you won't see any light at all. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the power on. Briefly, it's going to turn green, and then it should turn back yellow in just a moment there. And then I'm going to go ahead and power this on. So our computer looks like it's already booted up, and the screen that you're seeing right now is what we call our home screen, okay, our desktop. We are not yet on the internet, but this is the page that's going to come up for the San Diego Broadband Initiative. And this desktop screen, you can customize this any way you want. Before we get started, you want to make sure you're nice and comfortable. You can either have your mouse, if you're left-handed, on the left side or the right side, depending if you're left-handed or right-handed. Your keyboard, you want to make sure you're in a nice, comfortable position. The keyboard does have some adjustments on it on the back. It has some pegs that you can flip down, so you can adjust the keyboard's height a little bit, and so you can be nice and comfortable as you get ready to start using your brand new computer. So we've got our computer all powered up here, and there's just a couple things I want to point out to you before you actually jump on that internet and start browsing. All right, so what we're looking at here is your desktop screen. All the computers you get from us look like this, and one of the things I want to point out to you over in the right-hand corner is a file called Read This First. What that is a Readme document that will explain what the equipment that you receive and all the specifications, warranty information, and what software is included on the computer when you purchased it or you received it as a donation. So I'm going to go ahead and just open that up real quick just to browse through there and show you the kind of things that are on there. And so at the top here it says San Diego Broadband Initiative, welcome. The San Diego Futures Foundation is pleased to provide you with this refurbished computer as part of the San Diego Broadband Initiative. A couple of things that it gives you a website for the San Diego Broadband Initiative. You can find things like training, technical support, surveys, the program calendars, newsletters, all the important things about the San Diego Broadband Initiative. And a little bit down below, you can find information about your computer, some of the basic specifications that your computer came with. A little bit lower down, it explains more of your software and what's pre-installed on your computer. Microsoft Security Essentials is the name of your antivirus program, and we're going to talk about that in just a little bit more in detail. Also, your computer comes with Microsoft Home and Student 2007 edition. That's a great piece if you want to write emails, you want to write letters, and it's great for the things like that. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about a couple things that you should do before jumping on the internet and just browsing the World Wide Web. And one of the things is updating your computer. Getting started, I want to show you your antivirus software, which is Microsoft Security Essentials. Down in your lower right-hand corner, you're going to see a little arrow. If you click on that arrow, what you're going to see in that corner is a castle. This castle right now is yellow. What that means is it needs to be updated. So if you just double click on that, it brings up the Security Essentials dialog box, and there's a tab across the top called Update. Click on the Update tab, and then simply click on the button on the right-hand side that says Update. What that does is go out to Microsoft's website and update your antivirus files. to get your computer securely connected. Okay, that's the first thing you want to do, is make sure your antivirus is completely up to date. Secondly, the next thing after updating your antivirus, we want to update Windows itself. What you have on your computer is Microsoft Windows 7 Professional Edition, and that also needs to be updated. Those are the two most important updates that you can do before you start browsing the internet. To update Windows 7, which is Microsoft's version, you simply click on the Start button, which is in the lower left-hand corner. Click on Start, go to All Programs, scroll down and find the option that says Windows Update, and that will be located right here. Click on Windows Update, and you see how that's also in yellow? That means there are updates ready to be installed. In this case, there are 35 important updates that need to be installed. It takes a little time before that's done, but you'll be more secure once that's completed. Just simply click on the button to the right-hand side that either says Install Updates or Download Updates. Once that is complete, it's best to always restart your computer, and then you're welcome to just go ahead and browse the World Wide Web. That's it for now, and if you have any problems with your computer or needing technical assistance, if you get stuck, that's okay. We're here to help you. Just go ahead and call our technical support line. It's 1-855-800-SDFF. That's 1-855-7333. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll talk to you soon.